There's nothing more relaxing than going for a walk in autumn. I tried to film a small vlog using my Sony camcorder CX405, and I think it turned out just fine. It's actually really fun to use a camcorder, and I prefer this over a normal camera that shoots video. I also don't care too much about the video quality. I just want to film and not think about settings whatsoever. As you may already figured out, this channel is not about the best cameras, the best specs, etc. I just want to show you how much fun photography can be without caring too much or spending too much money. In the end, it's the simplicity that makes photography fun for me. What do you think?